How resilient is your team? Do you go to work excited? How do you get things done? Today's business requirements have changed a lot from the past. Creativity, agility, empathy, communication and trust have become the most sought-after qualities in leaders and teams. Business success today won't happen without a talent development that's fit for the creative age and driven by rapid and constant innovation. We need a smarter and a more humane approach to training in the workplace. With support from our skilled facilitators, our Biztreat learning program will help your team become more resilient and productive while feeling rewarded and having fun. Biztreat's approach is unique because we've discovered that to make substantial progress, we have to get away from our day-to-day tasks, roles and habits, even our environment. To fully benefit from this advantage, we will take your team to a beautiful location where we will help you build a unique space that's open to experimentation. Our learning concept has its origins in the most interesting science of all, the science of mind. Neuroscience teaches us that we retain knowledge better when we engage our emotions, all our senses, and have fun. So, we decided to bring back the playtime. Workshop on a beach or a board meeting in the ocean. It's also easier to learn new behaviors when we can practice it first, with instant feedback, and without the fear of failing. To do this, it's vital to have a safe space where everyone in your team feels empowered to speak and to act their truth, to experiment, and to support each other. Best of all, we provide guidance every step of the way. The Biztreat learning program involves 3 segments of the learning journey: before, during, and after the retreat. This entails diagnosing pain points and opportunities for improvement first, fostering learning and change through high-impact gamified training, and lastly, implementing new behaviors into the work environment with continued coaching and consultation. Our success metric is the lasting impact for your business. So, whether you need to align on business objectives, get behind a purpose together, fix your workflow, or come up with that new product, your organization's Biztreat will help you reach your goals.